What's going on, guys? We're going to take a little look at Tesla today. So Tesla got absolutely slammed. At one point in the day, Tesla was down to $632, guys. I mentioned in my Discord earlier this morning that they were really hammering, I mean absolutely destroying $650 puts for next Friday's expiration. Now I was thinking maybe we kind of chop around, go down a little bit on Tesla. And then next week we kind of get some washout. They didn't even wait till next week, guys. They flushed us completely. What I do want to kind of keep eyes on here on Tesla, if we realistically look at the last day that we lost a 5-day moving average on Tesla was on the 5th, guys. The 5th of May, we lost the 5-day moving average. Not only have we been trading below it, but only closed over it one day in the past 15 days, one day in the last 3 weeks, guys. So once we lost it, we flushed. We continued to flushed, back tested, flushed, tried to gap over, lost it, tried to reclaim it, did nothing with it, lost it, tested, lost it. So with that being said, what we're looking at going into next week on Tesla, can we expect a little bit of a dead cat bounce? I have to continue to put this in on the top of your head. If you look at this market, you know, as a skyscraper, right? When we originally lost the 50-day moving average on the triple Qs and on a lot of tech stocks, you know, that's kind of your first sign. People are starting to jump out of the first window. We continue to drop. Now we're jumping out of the second story. We continue to drop. Now it's the third story, the fourth story, the fifth story. Eventually it's going to get to a point, guys, where we're literally sitting, you know, on the 25th floor, jumping out of the window. Eventually it's going to hurt, which means that if you just keep coming in here with, you know, I'm going to go short, there's going to be one of those days, like a day like this that we had on the 4th, one of these days that we had on the 4th going back to April. And then you're going to have one of these days going back to the 13th of April, one of these days like you have on the 12th of May, where you're going to get these big aggressive rallies, guys, and you're going to come in short trying to swing overnight because you think that, you know, market's going to continue to flush, and then you get a big bounce day and it's going to wipe you out. So just keep it at the top of your heads. Is it possible we bounce on Tesla next week? Yes. Where could we bounce to? $713. Why $713? Because that's the 5-day moving average, and you can see what we do every time we get to the 5-day moving average. We get rejected, closed over, rejected, closed over, or tried to break over, rejected. It's the same story, different dance, but we are testing multiple times ever since we've lost it the first time, the 5-day moving average. So could we bounce? Could we get a little bit of a dead cat? Yes. What would we be looking to get into? $713. So just, you know, I'm not saying expect the bounce. I'm just saying that if we do get the bounce, don't be shocked. Okay. Like, don't be shocked. That also doesn't mean that the market is not going lower. It just means don't be shocked if one day we do decide to bounce. Be ready to play that long. What we have to the downside is $632. What is our next support? I do not even know, because on the daily chart, we are below every single macro level of support. So let's pull up the weekly time frame, guys. The weekly time frame. This is the 3-year, 1-week time frame. Every individual candlestick is going to represent 1 week's worth of trading action. We are below supply of the 100-day simple moving average. Okay, that was our last bit of weekly support. What is the next weekly support on Tesla? $507. I'm not saying that we're going to trade to $507. What I'm saying is that if we get some sort of bounce back into the 100-day moving average and we close under or try to reclaim that $707 and get rejected somewhere in this candle, and then start to roll over and we lose $632, we can have another aggressive day like this, guys. We can have another 5-6% down day on Tesla, and we can start treading waters down here to this $500 price point. What's below 500? God forbid anything happens, we get below 500, because the next support is 392. Not saying we're getting there. I just want to put that on your head so you guys are aware. Guys, I hope you like this technical analysis on Tesla. If you guys want to join my Discord, where I do live intraday technical analysis on stocks that we are currently trading in the Discord, definitely join the Discord. Also, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would highly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.